Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
US stocks rebounded as investors neared the end of a holiday-shortened week that also rang in the new year, which brought with it expectations of additional Federal Reserve rate cuts and looser regulatory policies from the incoming administration. Gold prices retreated from a 3-week high on Friday, pressured by a robust dollar, while markets braced for potential economic and trade shifts under US President-elect Donald Trump. Oil prices edged higher on Friday and notched weekly gains, as cold weather in Europe and the US, as well as additional economic stimulus flagged by China, helped push prices in the previous session to their highest in more than 2 months.
The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is in overbought territory.
Be prepared as the economic calendar for the upcoming days unveils a series of impactful data releases. These updates, from crucial high-impact reports to secondary announcements, could refine market sentiment and trading strategies. As we approach these data points, investors should keep their strategies flexible. The coming days may bring shifts that provide both opportunities and risks.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.